So the second product is a safety razor. So when we started our eco journey, I started to use a safety razor because disposable razors for any sort of shaving, whether you're a man or a woman, are a nightmare, because obviously the majority of them are plastic. The blades can't be recycled because they're cased in plastic. So basically the outcome is that these things get sent to landfill, and that's that. But 8.7 Living again have solved that problem with these safety razors. Now what I would say about other safety razors is generally they're quite bog standard looking, whereas these ones are so chic. Like, I was so impressed with them. They're almost like I guess the sports car version of the safety razor. They're really, really cool, really stylish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this one and fit it together to show you how easy it is to do. I have opened it up once before, but just to show you inside. So this is how it comes. You get your pack of blades and then your razors in 3 parts, but it's very easy to assemble. And then there's also a guide for how to use if you go to 8.7 Living's guides on their website. This is how it comes in the box, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to screw it all together and show you what it looks like and how it works. So start by taking the handle out, just remove it from the tissue. Take your handle, and then you want your 2 parts of your head, which are wrapped up separately. So this piece with the 8.7 on is the top part of the razor. Bottom part of the head, should I say, looks like this. And then you get your little pack of razor blades as well. So you do get 10 in. 10 will last you a really long time. And then when you need to change the blade, you can fully dispose of the blade. It is recyclable because it's just made from metal, from stainless steel. So it could go in your recycle bin. It's fine. It's not gonna contribute to any more plastic pollution. So all I'm gonna do is, everything again with this is in fully recyclable packaging, so you can throw the box away in your recycle bin. No waste coming from any of these products, which is what I liked about them so much. So your blade comes in a little envelope like this. Just remove the blade from the envelope. Be really careful with them because they are sharp on the edges. Okay, so then you want to start by taking your handle and balancing your head on with the blade. I don't know whether you can see, but there is holes so they can all line up. And then take the top part of your head, and the easiest thing to do would be to push that through. So you've got your handle separate and your head there, so it's the top part, the blade, and then the base. And then all you do is you screw this into the base, and it should knit the 3 things together as you tighten. So there you go. So they definitely knew the way to my heart because I love rose gold. But how cool will that look in your bathroom? And you'll be a plastic free hero as well. So yeah, so if you've never seen what a safety razor is like before, the blades come out of each side, so it means you can use one side, and then when that's blunt you can reverse and use the other side, and then you just replace your blade. Comes apart in exactly the same way. Really, really great hero product. And if you think about how many single-use disposable razors you throw away per year, imagine the amount of plastic waste you will be saving from one of these. And like I say, everything you need comes in the kit. All you would need to do at the end is replace your blades. Blades are bog standard. We will be stocking some in store, so don't worry, you can also get your replacement blades with us. So yeah, that's the razor. So these come in the rose gold. They also come, I'm not going to open them up, but they also come in a silver, as you can see there on the box. Same packaging, and in the black as well.